Coming to Waitakere Hospital, it's always great to sort of see tikanga and kaupapa Māori. Right throughout the health system, we're coming in, we get greeted by the local kaumātua kuia, and that really reinforces to the rangatahi how important it is to maintain their Māori identity and tikanga through their journey. So actually I'd consider that as one of the biggest things in learning outcomes for the rangatahi today, is being able to come to an institution like a hospital but still adhere to tikanga.
So the Rangatahi Health Symposium, this is the 5th year that it's been running. What we do is we bring our rangatahi together every year. They're all interested in the health career pathway. We bring them together to wānanga around Hauora to bring them into the hospital and expose them to their health environment. They get to meet Māori who've come from humble beginnings, just like them, and they get to really ask some questions that will support them along that pathway into tertiary study. Today they have been in the Waitakere simulation labs. They have had workshops with nurses, midwifery, the oral and mobile van. They have had public health and health promotion, and even our anaesthetic technician here.
Kia ora, I'm Hannah. I attend Whangara Girls High School, and today has been, quite interesting. I've learned a lot with the nursing. I've learned anaesthetic technician. I've got a better idea of that. So I thought it would be easier to maybe just be like a nurse, but then when I got a better understanding with forensics and there could be higher jobs I could do that would just interest me more.
Kia ora, I'm Billy. I am a Year 13 student at Kamaho. Ora Hauora just kind of helps you broaden your perspective on health, kind of just helps to understand more that they don't really teach in schools, because they kind of just focus on the learning, they don't focus on careers. So if you come to Ora Hauora, it's more you're asked what you want to do, and you kind of can understand different things around that. I really want to become a doctor, possibly a paediatrician working with young children and infants. And yeah, I just want to be a doctor so I can help out whānau. It's kind of a passion of mine.
I think coming to the hospital when you're not sick is quite a big thing, most of the time, even for rangatahi, going to the hospital is when they're visiting a sick family member or they're sick themselves. So having the chance to actually come here from a positive or a beneficial angle is really good to actually shed some light for them on the pathways that they can take for themselves and pursue.